So I'll show you two ways of making your JBL Boombox 4 louder. Now, one of the ways is as you're playing, whatever it is that you're playing, you can go to the JBL Portable app and change the EQ setting. Now, by default, it's going to be on the JBL signature EQ setting. So you can experiment with these other EQ settings and see which one makes whatever you're listening to the loudest. You can even go to custom and tap on edit and then change your own or create your own custom EQ and try and make the speaker loud. Now you might want loud bass or you might want loud vocals, depending on what you want. Now, one sure way of making everything loud on the JBL Boombox 4 is to plug in the speaker. So just grab your charger, and this JBL speaker comes with this double barrel charger. So just plug it in, and anytime you're using your speaker, when it's plugged in, it's going to be significantly louder than when you're using it straight from the battery. Okay, so that's just how it works. Okay, when you use the JBL Boombox 4, when it's plugged into power and charging, it's going to be significantly louder. So those are two things you might try if you want to get the loudest volume from the speaker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.